Most people think they've seen every cool gadget out there. They haven't. Today we've got a triple monitor that attaches to any laptop in seconds, a bedside table straight out of a sci-fi movie, and at the very end, that pocket-sized flying camera you saw in the thumbnail that follows you around completely on its own. 15 gadgets, every single one worth your time. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Quick heads up before we start. If you're between 18 and 24 or currently a student, Amazon is giving away 6 months of Prime completely free right now. Fast shipping, Prime Video, Prime Day deals, all of it, zero cost. Link is in the description and pinned comment. If you qualify, don't sleep on it. Now let's get into it. I used to work from coffee shops with just my laptop screen and constantly felt like I was missing half my workspace. One screen for emails, one for the meeting, one for research. It felt impossible. This portable triple monitor attaches directly to your laptop and gives you a full 3-screen setup anywhere you go. Full HD displays, sharp and clean, foldable design that actually fits in a bag. Once you work on 3 screens, you cannot go back to one, ever. My desk used to feel cramped no matter how I arranged things. Then I added an ultra-wide display and everything changed. Extra screen real estate for multitasking, gaming, live stats, keeping multiple apps open simultaneously, all on one slim stretch display that looks incredibly clean next to any laptop or monitor setup. One screen that makes your entire workspace feel like a completely different setup overnight. I counted the cables on my nightstand once. 4. Phone charger, watch charger, lamp cord, and a random USB hub. It was embarrassing. This smart bedside table has wireless charging built directly into the surface, ambient LED lighting underneath, smart storage, and some versions even include a Bluetooth speaker and fingerprint lock. Place your phone down and charging starts automatically. Your bedroom goes from cable chaos to something that looks like it belongs in a luxury hotel. I used to play mobile games with touchscreen controls and constantly lose to people using controllers. The moment I switched, I understood why. This controller gives you physical triggers, responsive buttons, and an ergonomic grip that makes long gaming sessions actually comfortable. Precision that touchscreen simply cannot match. Once you game with this in your hands, going back to tapping glass feels like a punishment. I've gone through 4 keyboards in 3 years trying to find one that felt right. This one ended that search. Smooth mechanical switches, customizable RGB lighting, hot swappable keys so you can tune the typing feel exactly how you want, and fully wireless. Gaming or productivity, it handles both without compromise. The sound alone is genuinely satisfying in a way that's hard to explain until you're actually typing on it. I used to spend 20 minutes every week trying to get a clean head shave with a regular razor. Nicks, missed spots, the whole frustrating process. This smart head shaver has 7 floating blades that follow every curve of your head automatically. Wet or dry, cordless, and the built-in LED display shows battery life in real time, so you never get caught mid-shave with a dead battery. Clean result every single time in a fraction of the time. I put this on my desk expecting to look at it once and forget about it. 3 hours later, I was still watching it. As the sand slowly shifts inside the frame, it creates completely unique landscapes every single time you flip it. No 2 patterns ever the same. Hypnotic, calming, and genuinely premium looking on any desk or shelf. The kind of thing that makes people stop mid-conversation just to watch it for a minute. And 2 more before the halfway point. Number 10 is one that every person with a laptop actually needs. I used to click pens constantly during long calls and meetings. Drove everyone around me insane. This replaced that habit completely. The Ono Roller uses smooth metal rollers that glide between your fingers in the most satisfying way possible. Reduces stress, sharpens focus, completely silent, compact enough to carry anywhere. Once you pick this up, you will genuinely understand why people can't put it down. My laptop has 2 USB-C ports. That's it. Every single time I needed to connect a monitor, transfer files, and charge simultaneously, I was stuck choosing what to sacrifice. This 7-in-1 docking station fixes all of that with one connection. HDMI, USB ports, SD card slots, Ethernet, and charging support, all instantly available the moment you plug it in. If you use a laptop for anything serious, this is not optional anymore. I used to prop my iPad against a book to watch videos, then against a coffee mug for calls. This magnetic folio case folds into multiple stable viewing angles and makes the whole setup feel genuinely professional. Strong magnets keep everything locked in place. It's slim enough to not feel bulky, and it transforms your iPad from a tablet into a proper mini workstation. Small upgrade, surprisingly big difference every single day. I used to end every night with 3 separate chargers plugged into a power strip on my nightstand. It looked terrible, and I was always hunting for the right cable. This 7-in-1 charging station wirelessly powers your phone, smartwatch, earbuds, and more all at once. Just place everything down and charging starts automatically. Adjustable ambient lighting makes your desk desk or nightstand look clean and intentional. One device replaced everything else, and 3 left. Don't skip because the last one is the gadget from the thumbnail, and it's genuinely on another level. I travel with just my phone and a tablet half the time now. The moment I added this portable keyboard, everything changed. It folds small enough to fit in a jacket pocket and opens into a full typing setup in seconds. Connects wirelessly to your phone, tablet, or laptop instantly. Emails, notes, documents, all of it becomes dramatically faster than typing on glass. The first time you knock out a full email on this while sitting on a plane, you will never travel without it again. I used to keep a full toolbox in my apartment for the 3 times a year I actually needed it. This mini ratchet kit replaced all of it. Fits in your pocket, comes packed with a mini ratchet and multiple screwdriver bits for tight spaces nobody else can reach. Furniture assembly, gadget repairs, quick fixes anywhere. Done fast and done right. Weirdly satisfying to use, and the kind of thing you reach for more often than you'd expect. Okay, this is the one from the thumbnail, and it's exactly as insane as it looks. This is a flying camera smaller than an iPhone that weighs about the same as a golf ball. Press a button, toss it in the air, and the AI takes over completely. Facial and body tracking keeps you perfectly framed while it captures aerial photos and 2K video completely hands-free. 5 smart autofly modes: wide, zoom, video, 360, and orbit, each one performing cinematic movements that used to require a full-size drone and an experienced pilot. Optical flow sensor keeps it stable for sharper shots. Captures hundreds of photos or around 6 minutes of video on a single charge. Everything transfers straight to the app for instant posting to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. This doesn't feel like a gadget. It feels like having a personal flying cameraman that fits in your pocket. Alright, 15 gadgets, every single one worth checking out. From that triple monitor setup that changed how I work to that pocket-sized flying camera that honestly still surprises me every time I use it, this list had something for everyone. Everything's linked in the description, so go grab whatever caught your eye. And if you want to see more gadgets on another level, my last video had a Swiss-made mechanical watch built from 237 components that costs more than most cars. That one is worth your time. Link is on screen right now.